Happy Tuesday, my friends. I hope you guys are all having a great week. For me, I'm feeling amazing. And I want to give a quick shout out to all my friends and family that have sent their well wishes, their prayers. You know, it means a whole lot to me because you know what they say? They say you find out who your real friends are when you go through some hardships, right? And for me, recently dealing with this health scare, the people that I thought were friends didn't even show up. And the people that you didn't even think about were making a phone call, making a prayer for me. And I'm just really happy to count you guys as friends in my circle. And more importantly, I'm just happy that, you know, I'm doing good. My recovery's good. I'm taking it easy, but I'm positive and just overall happy. You know, time is one thing that once we lose it, it's gone forever. So, you know, think about that for a little bit. If you got something that you're holding off to do, maybe that vacation, maybe that second career, maybe you want to go back to school, don't wait around because tomorrow just might not come. But I wanted to get on here mainly to just share with everybody something I've been really excited about this month. And that is that earlier in the month, we broke a record for Herrera Insurance Marketing in how many new students we have enrolled into the insurance pre-licensing courses so they can start their journey to become life insurance agents. Last week, we broke that mark by having over 200 new students for the month of February. And that's just exciting to me because one of my goals for the last couple years has been to educate as many of you on the many opportunities that exist selling life insurance. And what's crazy is that it hasn't been very difficult for me to share that message. One, because I'm a 20-year veteran in the financial service industries. But mainly, what a lot of people haven't realized is that the financial service industry is responsible for creating the most number of millionaires in modern times. And if you do your research, you will see that what I'm saying is fact. But I would say that the biggest motivator for people as I talk to them and encourage them to start their journey to sell life insurance is that most people truly want to have a business of their own. We know that there's two types of people, right? The ones that work for a boss and the ones that want to be the boss. And if you're a person that has that entrepreneur spirit, you're a go-getter, you're self-motivated, the financial service industry can be perfect for you. And on top of this, if you love sales, it can be a great fit for you. And, you know, the possibilities are endless. For me, by the time I was 30 years old, I had already accumulated $2 million in earnings and set aside in renewals by the time I was 30. And I started at 25 years old with zero college education. I was just able to obtain my life insurance license, and the rest was history. And just like me in my story, there's countless of others people. Some people have had celebrity success. Others you've never even heard of killing it in the financial service industry. But again, one of the many benefits of this industry is that you call your shots. You don't have a boss. You set up your own schedule, whether you want to work part-time, full-time, whether you want to work from home or an office. It's your shot. You call it. And for a lot of you guys that are maybe looking at an opportunity, maybe you're tired of what you're doing, I encourage you to consider a career in the financial service industry. It just might be what you're looking for. As an independent person, we're considered 1099, so no one's taking any money out of your checks from your commissions. You run your own show. You don't have to have a warehouse full of merchandise to sell, or you don't got to sign a lease. You can work from your home, because at the end of the day, what we do is help people with insurance. Some help with retirement. At least for me, over 20 years, my number one specialty has been helping people set up a small insurance policy, whole life, which we call final expense, to pay for their funeral one day. Or maybe just leave a little extra money to a surviving spouse. The reason I've loved this type of product is, one, because the demand for it is just high. I don't know if you know this, but over 70 million Americans over the next 10 years will be retiring. And those people definitely sit back and think about their mortality and what if they die, how would they pay for their arrangements or those end-of-life costs. So the demand is huge. And what's even crazier, as the market ages, so do insurance agents. So the need for insurance agents is high as heck, giving you an opportunity, especially you youngsters, the opportunity to service a marketplace that desperately needs your help. So if you're watching this, you're looking for an opportunity where you can excel at your own pace, where you can make the money you want, because whatever you put in is what you get out of it. Consider selling life insurance. One of the biggest bonuses of selling life insurance is something we call residual income in the form of insurance renewals. That's right. Nowadays, you hear a lot of people talking about passive income, residual income, but they don't know how to go about and do it. Well, you can definitely accomplish that by selling insurance. And once you sell 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, starting with one, after that first year, you'll start seeing a thank you check every single month. When those clients pay their premiums, the insurance carrier will send you a thank you check in the form of an insurance renewal commission. And for some of you out there, that's in the millions. For others, it can be several thousand. But the point is, every single month before you leave your house, you have a residual check that is there to support you and your family. So again, to all of you guys that have taken us up on the courses and starting your journey, congratulations. When you think about a business, most businesses require thousands of dollars of startup capital. And I'm happy to say that with our industry, all you're required is to get your insurance license. And that typically is going to cost you under $1,000. And if you go to XcelSolutions.com today and sign up for life courses, you will receive a 50% discount if you use my promo code of VirtualFE. That's right, 50%. So I encourage you to start today. And once you do, and you get your license, I'd be more than happy to help you start your journey by training you on how to sell the products I sell. And if you don't like final expense, if you want to do something different, I'd be more happy to recommend you to some of my friends that run different types of products in their agencies. And they'd be more than happy to help you get going. So with that said, you guys have a great week, and see you guys at the top. Peace.